Hi guys, I'm back again with another video. In this video, we'll look at the Amazon Fire TV Stick and what all do you get with it. Now, I've already made two videos on it. One is for the unboxing, the second one is the setup. So if you want to see the unboxing, click on that link on top and you will see the unboxing video. If you want to see the setup of how to set up the Amazon Fire TV Stick, you can click on the link above and then you can see that too. So in this video, we'll be looking at what all do you get with the Fire TV Stick. After this, I'll make a video on the devices that you can connect with it. So I'll break it down into two parts. One would be for a keyboard, one would be for a sound system like a earphone or a speaker. So let's go ahead and see what all do you get. Now, first of all, you have this option of home. So home is where everything which is interesting, which is recent, or whichever is highlighted or whichever is new comes over here. So basically right now TED Talks, The Accountant, Frozen, Inside Edge, Famis and Zakir Khan. So these are the highlighted ones. You can see recently used ones. So I generally use Jio Cinema a lot. I use Hotstar, and I just watched this movie Badrinath Ki Dulhania. And TuneIn is basically a radio app, so you can listen to radio on it. I will tell you something interesting about that also, about a feature which Amazon Fire TV Stick has regarding radios. So you have recent, you have your apps and games, trending, features. So this has all the list of whatever you have used recently, or whatever whatever they think that you might like. So all of that will come over here. Then we have movies. So in movies, you'll have a lot of different movies, a lot of new movies also, but new doesn't mean like just 1 month back. New may mean something like 4 or 5 months back. So, and you won't have like all the movies, you'll have limited amount of them, but whatever they have are good and the quality is excellent. So in the latest ones, if you look at it, you have Sully, you have Begum Jaan, Ghazi Attack, you have Badrinath Ki Dulhania, you have I just watched Commando, and you have Star Trek. So those are the recent ones. You have a lot of other ones, but if you want to see according to category, you can go down. You'll have action, comedy, drama, Bollywood, cinema, animated, romance and horror. So when you open that up, then inside that you'll have more movies, so you can browse according to that. So there is quite a few there are quite a few movies over here, but the selection is limited, so don't expect everything to be there, but whatever is there is free if you have an Amazon Prime account. If you don't have an Amazon Prime account, you will not be able to watch it. Let's go to TV shows. So if you go to TV shows, you'll have all the latest TV shows. Now these do not include the US TV shows, as in the ones which are launched in US will not show up over here. It's similar to your Tata Sky or your Tata Sky and Dish TV. So all these do not show you current serials or TV shows which are running in US, because that is separate, India is separate. So whatever rights India have, only those will be shown over here. So over here you will see English serials, but the ones which are there for Indian viewers. So for example, you have Anger Management, you have The Royals, you have The Originals, Vampire Diaries, so all these kind of serials. So do not expect everything that was there in the US version. One thing I'll tell you straight away, the same TV stick registered in US shows different things, registered in India shows different things. When I registered my TV stick, my Amazon account was a US account. So for the first time when I registered it, it gave me all US channels. But the only problem was whenever I tried to open it up, it did not work. All of them showed error. So I had to call up the support, and then they changed my Amazon account from Amazon.com to Amazon.in, and after that everything started working, because the internet service that you're using, the IP address itself, it tells the Fire TV stick that you are not in US. So even if you try to do that, it will not work. So TV shows, and then you have apps. So these, I mean, this is my favorite part. You have apps supported, so you can use, like I use JioCinema, I use NDTV sometimes, I use Hotstar. So all these apps you can use to watch TV serials, you can watch movies, you can watch all these things, and they are excellent. One good thing about the Fire TV stick is that if you have a Jio account, you can install JioCinema and you can watch it without Jio internet. So the limitation with JioCinema is that you have to have Jio internet on your device to watch a Jio service. But with this, you don't need that. I'm not connected to the Jio connection, but I can use my JioCinema. So that's a good thing. What else? And after that, we have settings. So basically you have home, movies, TV shows, apps, settings. And before home, you have a search option where you can use your Amazon remote to type and search, or you can use the mic button. I'm sorry, I'm a little sleepy. It's 1:30 in the night. So you can use the mic button to search. Now the limitation over here is the mic only works with Amazon service. So only whatever you see over here, movies, TV shows, apps, so it'll only work with them, not inside the app. So if I have opened up JioCinema or if I have opened up Netflix, the remote does not work there. The mic button does not work there. So for example, I'll go into JioCinema. I'll open up JioCinema and seriously open. Okay, so in JioCinema I will go to movies, or rather I want to search. So there are a lot of movies here. I'll go to the search option over there. The only option I had is this keyboard. So I will make a video on keyboard, how to connect a keyboard to your Fire TV stick. That will be next after this video. You can see that also. So I have to go through the keyboard with this wheel and then go here, go there, select and then search. Now that is pretty tiring. I want to use my voice option. So I use the voice option. So I'll say, what's the movie? I'll say Judwaa. Okay, Judwaa. So it recognized what I said. Judwaa spelling is right. The only problem that I'll have is, okay, you can't see it. Let me just move this. Okay, so you see Judwaa there. Now I select that, and the problem that I'll get is it's searching it in Amazon service. It's not searching it in the Jio app. So that's the limitation. So you cannot use it in your Jio app or any app. The voice feature does not work. It'll only work with Amazon service, which is the Amazon movie, Amazon TV shows, and the apps. Apps as in the name of the apps. So if an app is named YouTube, so I'll go here, I'll go back, and I use the mic, YouTube. So it will search for movies which are related to YouTube, so serials which are related to YouTube, and since there's an app named YouTube, it will show you that. So that's what this mic is good for. So that's why you need a keyboard. If you have a keyboard, it's much easier. If you don't have it, then you'll have to use this and then tuck, 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 and then search everywhere. So that's what you get with this. I'll show you the settings screen also. So in the settings screen, you have notifications, network. Notification basically shows you any notification related to your account or whatever you downloaded or any such information that comes up over here. Network basically shows you all the networks that you have, and it gives you the option to connect using WPS or connect to any of the Wi-Fi networks around. Display and sound. So display and sound allows you to set up the screensaver, the display, the sound. So you have Dolby sound over here, so you can select the various kinds of sounds over here. Enable display mirroring. So this is what is used for mirroring your device. So mirroring your phone, mirroring your laptop, you can mirror it from here. Second screen notification. Okay, then you have applications. Now in applications you will have, it'll basically show you all the installed applications, the space available. So you can go into manage installed applications and you will see all the applications which are installed. So basically you get around 5.5 GB of free space. It's ideally a 8 GB drive, but the OS and the rest of the things takes a lot of space, so that goes off. And you have controllers, so you can add Bluetooth controllers over here. Preference, you will see parental control, data monitoring, notification settings, time zone, language, and advertising ID. Device, basically this allows you to restart, sleep, or reset your device, the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Accessibility gives you subtitles, voice view, and high contrast. Help basically gives you help on Amazon. Account will show you your Amazon account, and then you'll have a sync Amazon content. So if you have different Amazon devices, or if you have different devices with Amazon account on them, all of them are doing different things. If you want your Fire TV Stick to sync all of that, then you can just click on this and it'll synchronize it and everything will be back. So that's basically it. That's what Amazon Fire TV Stick is all about. I will be doing a comparison with the Chromecast later on, not right now. Right now we're strictly talking about the Fire TV Stick. So if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and do comment, and I'll see you in the next video with a keyboard, adding a keyboard to the Fire TV Stick. Okay, bye bye.